More Corvette parts. Let's see what I got. All right, guys, today I got a fun little quick install. Hopefully a short video, quick and to the point. I won't keep you guys too long. Tomorrow I am going to pick up a new car for the channel. So that'll be fun. But tonight we're gonna throw this little mod in. These are little lights to replace interior lights in the trunk and on the floor. The ones in the rearview mirror, I don't really mind, so I'm gonna keep those. I actually like the aesthetic of those. But yeah, these are really easy to put in, and it should be an exact replacement to the OEM ones. And I'll show you how to replace these, super simple. And when I have you guys out in the garage, I do want your all's opinion on something. That's something I'm thinking about doing, and see if you guys would be interested in seeing me do what I'm thinking about. So let's head out to the garage, get these swapped out, and I'm gonna ask you guys your opinion on something. All right, let's go to the garage. Okay, so before I throw these little guys in and show you how to do that, it's really simple. I'll show you the before and after, how they look. This interior is looking really good, by the way. I'm very proud of myself. Anyways, the last thing in this interior I think is still kind of junky is the little door latch, interior door latch. Yeah, Corvette team really phoned this one in. The whole thing looks like shit. I could probably get away with wrapping this outer part, but for this, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Porsche at all. Some of their higher up GT models, GT3 RS, or I don't know what the hell Porsche's or nomenclature, but anyways, they have a really cool thing. They have a little nylon pull strap, which I think is kind of neat. It's really sporty. There's some way to get rid of this and put a little mechanism in there with a little nylon red pull tab. I think that'd be like really sharp. And what's your all's opinion on that? I don't know, it might be a stupid idea, but this thing is just so cheap, and it's almost embarrassing when I have someone in here. It's such a nice car. They're like, it's kind of stupid. But yeah, I was just thinking about it today at work, you know? It wouldn't be too hard to make something. So I want you all's opinion on that. Okay, back to what we're doing today. As you can see, I already got one of them out, hanging out down there. It's super easy to do. I'll show you how to do it if you don't know how to do it. This little baggie of bulbs was really cheap. It was like 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link below. LEDs are just amazing. They're so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out. Well, but first I'll show you what you have to do, and then we'll get them swapped. I'll show you how to do the front one in the front, and then one in the back. All right, also make sure you undo the battery if your door is gonna be open, and don't just try to grab the bulb like an idiot like myself, because they're hot because they're incandescent. So unplug your battery, let them cool down for a minute, and then we'll go from there. Be right back. All right, and just like that, it's already in. That was really fast. I wasn't expecting it to be that fast, but it is. The front one's actually just got my fingernail on the side of it, and it's pulled right out. And you're just gonna pull the bulb straight out. It's really self-explanatory. And then the new one's a little thicker, but it fits right in. I'm gonna pop it back in, and then we'll do the trunk. All right, back here in the trunk, I'm on the passenger side. So far, I have not had to use any tools, just my hand. This little guy right up here, if you can see it. Just gonna pull it out, just with your finger, get it in there, and it'll come right out. And then the little bulb, just right here, fits in right there. You twist it, the little bulb comes out. We're gonna swap it out, put it back in, and twist it, and boom, you're all set. All right, guys, I got the trunk all squared away. It's amazing how much more modern these lights make the whole car look. I can actually see the trunk now. The basic OE ones are just, I mean, it is what it is. They're just garbage for what they are, and technology's gotten better. But I want to show you guys up front how much better this looks. It makes the whole car look a lot more just up to date, you know? And I didn't do the driver's side yet, just for a comparison. Yeah, just dim and cruddy. You can see the difference from here, I think. But yeah, I'm happy with it. A quick 5-minute job, super inexpensive. My floors are so dirty. I don't know if you can see that, that's embarrassing. But yeah, if you guys need something quick and easy to do, cheap mod, you're on a budget, looks really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And hopefully tomorrow night you'll catch my upload with a new car to play with on the channel. All right guys, go enjoy your Friday night.